year in Ethiopia. We had our athletes excelling. We almost won this occasion. The regionalist champion the senior categories, and within these categories there is what we call Goma. Then we followed up with our Commonwealth Championship in South Africa, where we won number 23rd Senior, 16th Junior, 8th Cadet Championship last year.
We've selected our team, which is comprised of 50 athletes, and the championship has three divisions. That is junior, cadets, and seniors. So we finalized the selection last week, Saturday, and the team has started camping in Thika. So we look forward to good performance, as they are under very technical coaches that we have.
Categories, and also for